Good morning everyone. Today we will be studying about the quality and safety management. So we are going ahead with the module 3, that is CO3. So we will be studying about the topic today, approaches to improve safety. So there are 4 methods. What are the 4 approaches to improve the safety? One is organizational approach, second is a physical approach, third is a behavioral approach, fourth is the economic incentives. So these are the 4 approaches we are going to study to improve the safety. So the organization approach, it should have proper organization setup. It should be contractors, business, should give equal importance, same as scheduling and cost account. So this is organizational approach, means there should be proper organizational setup should be there, and it should be contractors, business. So the organization should have proper setup should be there. There should be proper scheduling, there should be proper cost account should be there, the safety measurements, safety reports, everything, the instructions, regulation, everything should be properly maintained in the organization. Coming to the organizational approach, continuing with that, safety department. So in the organization approach, there should be proper safety department should be there. A safety department is essential in a company. The department should be in charge of safety staff, job site representatives, recording and analyzing safety and other safety related issues. So the safety department should have a proper essential company should be there. So in that organization there should be a proper department should be there to take care of the safetyness of the workers, and there should be in charge a safety staff should be the job site representatives should be the recording and analyzing safety and other safety related issues should be there. So there should be a proper department who has taken care of the safety should be there in each and every company or in each and every organization. Safety committee. A safety committee should be set up to guide safety programs. Members from all levels should be included in the committee. Review safety program frequently. Committee should be chaired by a vice president and executive vice president. So there should be proper safety program should be there for a safety committee. Proper setup of guide safety program. There should be proper safety programs has to be set up by the safety committee. In the committee, all levels of members like higher ups to lower ups till the workers should be there. So the management people or head people and the workers till the lower workers should be there available from all levels. The members should be included in that committee. The committee will be taking care of the guidelines and safety program. So the review safety program frequently. So the committee, what's their duty is they have to review whether the safety is going on or the programs are keeping scheduled, or is there any accidents are occurring, any precautions has to be taken, that has to be reviewed frequently. Committee should be chaired by a vice president, and executive vice presidents will be there in the committee and they will be chaired by that committee. Field procedures. System to take suggestions from workers. They should be reminded and encouraged to detect unsafe procedures. Timely response and corrections as per the suggestion. In the field procedure, there will be system. We have to suggest the workers that this is the work we need to go ahead, and what are the precautions they have to take, how they can avoid the unsafe procedures. They have to detect and avoid the unsafe procedures. People who are detecting or finding out the unsafe procedure, that people or those workers has to be encouraged, and timely response and correction has to be given. If there is any unsafe procedure, we have to see timely response and correction as per their suggestion. We have to take care and modifications has to be done in the procedure to make it safe. Safety procedures. Safety cost and accident cost should be allocated to project cost. So this safety cost, what are the safety measures? For that how much cost we are sending, or what are the accident, for that how much cost we are spending. should be allocated to the project cost. Those will be finally, when we take the project cost, it will be added to the project cost. Project safety cost to be considered as project indirect cost. So if there is any project safety cost, that will be considered as a project indirect cost. It will be considered as a project indirect cost. Then accident cost record should be maintained. So if any accident has happened in the industry, we have to record what is the reason for the accident, how it has been resolved, how much cost has been spent, how many workers has been injured in that. Like that, the record has to be maintained. So finally, all accident cost and safety cost will be added to the total project cost. This is what about the organizational approach. Then coming to the physical approach. Physical approach means orientation to new workers, study of possible accidents by contractor and preparation of accident prevention program. So we have to give proper orientation to the new workers. So physically how the people will be behaving. So we have to give proper orientation to the new workers, and if any contractor, the contractor has to give first study about the possible accidents that can occur, and he has to prepare an accident prevention program. The contractor should enforce use of approved PPE kit. So contractor has to enforce the people to use the personal protective equipment. Then contractor should integrate safety program with other programs such as scheduling and budgeting during pre-planning procedure. So when we do the pre-planning of the project, the contractor has to give schedule and budgeting to integrate the safety programs also. Continuing with the physical approach, periodic checking of tools and equipments is necessary. Also, the conduct periodic safety meetings such as toolbox meeting. So there should be proper checking should be there related to the tools. Periodic checking of the equipment should be done. Periodic checking of the toolbox. Meetings has to be conducted periodically to check the safety awareness. Seek and obtain full cooperation from all subcontractors on the project. Many accidents occur due to lack of coordination. So there should be proper coordination from contractors, subcoordinators and workers should be there. Coming to the third one, that is behavioral approach. How the people are behaving in the construction industry. If any accidents happen, how the workers are behaving. So it is observed that more than 80% of the accident results from workers' unsafe act. So because of their unsafe behavior, unsafe act, 80% of the accidents are occurring. The behavior of managers on every level has influence on workers' safety program. It may be the behavior of the managers. That also another reason that which can influence the workers' safety program. Top management in site visit should talk about safety. So the higher ups to top management people has to talk always about the safety. The project manager should not pressure on foreman on budget and schedule. So the project manager should not give much pressure to the foreman about the budget and the schedule. Foremen are key in behavioral approach. Maintain good relation between craft crews. So there should be proper behavioral approach from the top management people to the workers should be there. That which is one reason which can avoid the accidents. Next is the economic incentives, the fourth point. Field managers and supervisors should be evaluated for promotions and salary increases based on safety record along with productivity and cost. So if there is proper safety is there, or any people are finding any issues in the construction industry, or the equipment is not working properly, they are pointing out, and in such a way that they are avoiding the accidents, we have to give proper promotions and salary increases to the persons who are finding out, and which helps to avoid the accidents. So based on the safety record along with productivity and cost, we have to give promotion and salary increases to the field manager and the supervisors. Coming to the safety benefits to the employers, employees and customers. Safety benefit to employers. Safety and profit are interrelated. So if safety is there, profit will be there, or else if accident happen, most of the cost we will spend for the accident people, and finally profit will be reduced. Humanitarian concerns in terms of profit. The construction worker who is injured suffers financial loss as well as pain and discomfort. That is another problem. If any worker is getting injured, the pain and financial loss will be more, discomfort will be more, construction employers who disregard safety suffers an indirect cost which could affect his survival also. So maybe life issues will be happen there, indirect cost will be happen there, safety, so everything. From this we can say that the safety and profit are interrelated. Benefit to employers. So first we had studied benefit to safety benefit to employers. Incurred cost and uninsured cost will be the, so uninsured cost are 9 times greater than insured cost, and similarly insured cost will be the, that is compensation cost, medical hospital cost, and what are the rewards for permanent disabilities. Rehabilitation cost, funeral cost, pension for dependents, all those things comes under the safety benefit. So property damage, insurance premium or charges, that is fire, loss of damage, use and occupancy, public liability. Uninsured cost will contain the indirect losses, that is first aid expenses, transportation cost, cost of investigations, cost of processing reports. So there will be insured cost and uninsured cost, all those will be added to the project total cost. Associated cost, there will be difference between actual losses and amount recovered. A rental of equipment to replace damaged equipment will be required, surplus workers for replacement of injured workers, wages or benefit paid to displaced workers. Then comes the overhead cost will be there while production is stopped, loss of bonus or payment for delays will be the, safety is an important public relation tool. From this we can say that safety is the first thing we have to consider. Safety benefit to employees, then an accident reduces a worker's physical power, creates challenges to protected manhood, loss in wages will be occurred, pain and anguish of the worker's family will be there, and special care must be taken for both physical and mental rehabilitation. So we can say that by safety all these can be eliminated. Safety benefit to the consumers. For a customer, the cost of project includes not only the price of construction but also the cost of non-productive capital. Serious accidents can create delays that may never be overcome. So I hope you are clear with the approaches to be taken care for safety, what are the different approaches you had studied, and safety benefits to employers, employees and customers had been discussed in this class. So we will meet up in another topic in the next class. Thank you.